Guys, I'm pissed. Why? Well, because, you know, I did record a video, you know, just now. I was doing a 21 Savage video, you know what I'm saying? Beat was fire as usual, you know what I'm saying? I always got the sauce, you know how it is. Heat all day, every day, you feel me? But, you know, I was done with the video, finished it and all that stuff. But look back at the footage and all the stuff that I recorded. My DAW was completely unusable. The screen was just black, so basically the file was corrupted. And I'm pissed. I'm really pissed right now. It might not look like it because I'm trying to calm down and try and do this video. But let's just, oh my god, let's just get into this one. Let's get into this video. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, all that. And oh my god, I'm trying so hard not to break something right now. I'm gonna do a Southside video. Let's do that. Let's do a Southside video. The only beats that I know how to do. Let's do Southside, okay? I'm pissed off. All right, you know, I need to make a really dope melody, okay? Something that'll cheer me up. I need to make a really dope melody. Like, it has to be dope, or I'm not gonna be happy. Because if this beat is not as good as the last one, you know, I'm gonna upload the other beat just to show you how dope it was. But you know, let's focus on this one, shall we? Okay. All right. I gotta put my headphones on for this. I'm about to make the most crazy melody ever. Just wait. Alright, okay, so here's the stitch, alright? The melody's sounding insane right now, okay? So I'm a little bit happier, just a tiny bit, okay? Still pissed off that the video that I did before didn't work, but this one's kind of cool, alright? Everything's working now, the screen's recording, all the stuff isn't corrupted, I hope. Here's what it sounds like. That's some craziness. That's hard. That's hard. Okay, so I'm gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna look for some more sounds. I might turn it up an octave or a pitch up or down, or see what I like. So let's get to it. I don't know how I can have this much energy right now. I'm just, you know, maybe it's the camera. I don't know. We'll see. This is fire. I don't know if this is gonna turn out as a Southside beat, but I mean, we'll do it anyway. All right, you know what? I think I found something that works, okay? This kind of works, okay? It works. All right, just listen to this. Yeah, you know what? I think that works. I'm gonna have to make like a, yeah, you know what? This beat has to be even more, this video might be a little long because I really wanna get out of this bad mood, and the only way to do that is to make a crazy beat, okay? So this video right here is about to be insane, all right? I'm gonna put that pressure on myself, all right? This beat's gonna be mad, all right? Just wait, all right? This, guys, I only have 2 sounds laid down, okay, and it's already sounding ridiculous, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna title this video. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but look, we'll see. We'll see. All right. I put a synth bass down. This isn't a Southside type beat. I don't know why I said that. Yeah. So I'm probably talking to myself right now. This thing definitely. Oh no, I'm not. All right, cool. Bro, I got it. 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 Oh, oh, oh God, that's fire. Oh my God. Oh God, that's happening. That's happening. That's 100% happening. That's 100% happening. Yeah, no, that's not exactly what we want. So we're gonna change that right about now. Da 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 la 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 la. Yeah, of course that doesn't work. Well, it's alright. Alright, we gotta take this off. It's getting too much, too hot. It's getting too hot. Too fire. Alright, too fire. It's getting too hot. Gotta take this off. Gotta take it off. It's too hot. Too much heat. I have to remove this layer soon. I'm probably gonna remove it soon. But let's continue.
Years later.
All right, you know what? I'm not even gonna force the melody. Okay, the melody sounds perfectly fine how it is. So we're just gonna move on to the drums. I'm just gonna add the kick. The kick is really, and I'm gonna go into the snare because why? Because I feel like I need I need a perfect snare for this. I need one very specific snare. So let's go find those 2 things. Alright, y'all, so like, before my camera died, alright, look, I was experimenting with some stuff, alright, and I just found like the perfect third melody, and it was crazy, alright. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I added, then I'm gonna show you the final beat, but like, this is probably one of my best beats on YouTube. I can guarantee you, hands down, #1, probably one of my best beats. And you'll see when I lay it out, you'll see, okay, because I did something crazy, alright, but this is not a Southside beat at all, but you know what? Let's do it. Oh, okay, so for my third melody, I went into Nexus. So actually, let me put this. All right, so this is the third melody. I know it's the 4th thing here, but ignore that. So this is my third melody. It was like a sound in Nexus. What is it? It was like It was this hard art. It was from like, I don't even know, it was from some random preset bank that I got or whatever. And well, it sounds like this. Like I used the same original melody. I took out the bass line parts, but it's just the same melody, you know what I'm saying? So here's what that sounds like. So you already know that's fire. All right, then I remember I told you I was looking for that snare? I found it. So here's what that snare sounds like. Yeah, all I did was literally pitch it down, up and down sometimes or whatever. It just added to the bounce, you know what I'm saying? Wow, this is not what I wanted. What else did I add? Oh yeah, I added a high open hat to the beat, which sounds like this. Added some reverb. And then, oh yeah, I added this, like, what's it called? This like perk on top of the hi-hat just to like give it more volume. But yeah, those are the stuff that I added so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and arrange this masterpiece and like, okay, this time y'all really need to keep a fire extinguisher ready, okay? I'm not joking. This. Let's just hope this footage actually finished recording, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. So let's continue this. Guys, I think I've just made one of my greatest beats I've ever made in my life. Guys, this isn't just any ordinary beat. This isn't just some normal trap beat, guys. This is a beat that will change the game, okay? Mark my words, all right? This beat right here is something crazy, okay? If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Share this video with your friends, okay? You have to. Share this with your friends. They're going to enjoy this. Anyone will enjoy this, all right? And last but not least, subscribe to the channel, okay? If you want to hear bangers like this again, you're gonna have to subscribe, okay? And of course, turn on post notifications if you will, please. Thank you. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for getting to the end if you did. And without further ado, here is my masterpiece by Unorthodox Beats.